Hi there and welcome to this class. For this class, we are going to be looking at how to solve this particular problem using the concept of initial value problem under differential equation. So last class I gave an example, a typical example, just one example under initial value problem last class. For this class, we'll proceed with the next example under the study of initial value problem. As you all know, as usual, we said when it comes to problem under initial value, the task is simple, right? The task is simple. The idea there is that they will always give you, questions and also a condition. And the condition they are given, if you observe this place, this part here is simply the condition given, right? And we said that the condition given are always x and y. That is, from this condition now, my y is 2 and x is 1. We said x is the one in bracket, this one in bracket is x, and x is 1, y is this one outside there. So you should be able to spot out x and y while you are doing inertial value problem, right? So proceeding, we said your very first task when it comes to solving this problem is to solve what you are given normally. This question I'm given here is a question under what? This question is under the fourth method, which is called solution to first order non-homogeneous differential equation, because it comes in the form dy dx plus u of x y equals v of x. This is the general form of This is the general form of the fourth method called the solution to first order non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation. This is the form, and if you observe, this form is aligned with this form, this one I'm given here. So obviously I'm going to use this fourth method concept to work with this. So having known the method to work with and let's start solving, please. Solution. My task here is that we said y prime usually it means what? Dy dx. So y prime means dy dx. So if y prime is dy dx, let's solve this problem. So if I want to retransform this problem, this one here, we said y prime is this y prime here you're seeing here is dy dx. Are we good? So let's work on this problem, please. Let's solve this problem. So moving on, working on this, it means this y prime now becomes what? Dy dx plus 2. If I see x inverse, if I see x to power minus 1, this man means 1 over x. So apply it, that gives you 1 over x. Then I have y equals 4x. From here, I'll have dy dx plus 2 times 1 times y, that gives you 2y all over this x here. This x here, I'll put it down here, x, right? Let's proceed, please. All right, is equal to what there? Equal to 4x. We said after retransforming it, in this case I have to retransform because it was given in y prime. If it was given in divided form directly, I'll just look for what? U of x. But I just retransform this way to the normal. This is how it's meant to be, right? Normally. So now let's proceed with the solving, please. All right. From here, let's get the value of u of x. So let's get the value of u of x. So u of x, we said u of x is always the term attached to y. In this case, if you observe y, this is y here. See, this is y. This part here is y. The thing attached to y is this 2x, 2 over x is attached to this y. So it means that my u of x is what? 2 over x. We said u of x is always a term attached to y. In this case, the term attached to y is obviously, observe this. This is a term attached to y. That's 2 over x. I'll copy it down as my u of x value. Right? So that's u of x. Now, after getting u of x, you said the next task is to get what? Your integrating factor, if. So, if, integrating factor, we said is equal to the integral, is equal to exponential the integral of u of x with respect to the x. That was said last class. Now, it means if integrating factor will be equal to exponential the integral of my u of x here. This u of x now is now 2 over x. So that gives you 2 over x with respect to the x. I'll try to integrate this 2 over x with respect to the x. What do we get in that case? This now will be equal to exponential. We said to integrate 2 over x, bring out constant term. This 2 is constant. Bring it outside the integral sign. That gives you the integral of what? I'll have 1 over x left. With respect to what there? With respect to the x. At this junction here, if I integrate 1 over x, that gives you ln x. You should know this before now. If I integrate this one here, if I integrate 1 over x with respect to the x, that gives me ln x. You see the last class. Alright. So from here, it means that my integrating factor, if, integrating factor will be equal to exponential 2 ln x. Right? If I should proceed with this, so it means that integrating factor will be equal to exponential ln x squared. We said this 2 that is here should come to the top of this x here. Right? That gives you ln x squared, as we explained last class. Right? From here, we said if I have exponential ln something, the answer becomes that thing, x squared. So I have exponential ln x squared. It means if I have exponential and ln, the thing that is left becomes the answer. I explained this last class using a proof for you last class. So you should know how I got to this. So hence, it means my final value for if, integrating factor, if, so it means my if value will be equal to what there? X squared. We said after getting if, integrating factor, the next task is to multiply through by integrating factor. So next task, please. Multiply through by integrating factor, if. So go back to your question. So pick out if first. X squared is my if into, the question was given as, we said we have transformed the question as dy dx plus 2 over xy. I have this is equal to multiply this by if x squared into, I have 4x here. Right? So if I should proceed with this, observe please, this x squared times dy dx, that gives you x squared dy over dx plus this plus sign here is this plus sign here, right? Just repeat it. All right. Next task is to multiply this x squared with this 2 over xy with this one here. So that will give you x squared 2 over xy, right, is now equal to, multiply this. Next task now is now to multiply this x squared by 4x. That gives you a 4s cubed. 4s cubed, right? So my next task is that we said after applying this procedure, after multiplying through by integrating factor, we said the concept becomes, we said after multiplying through by integrating factor, you should always observe that the left hand side, this left hand side here of the equation, will always become the derivative, that is d over dx of the product of what? Y and what? Integrating factor. And this man is equal to what there? 4s cubed. We said this left hand side, everything becomes this expression, that is d over the x, d over the x, y dot integrating factor. I showed you this stuff last class. I proved it to you last class. All right. Let's proceed. From here, if I should proceed from here, so take this dx to the other side here, bring it here, right? That gives you, you'll be having just d left, d into y dot, our if is good factor is of course x squared, right? X squared from right, x squared equal to what there? 4s cubed dx. From here, I'll actually integrate through. So integrating through, integrating through, that gives you the integral of d into y dot x squared equals the integral of 4s cubed with respect to dx. All right. All good. My next task here, observe please. My next task here is that we know that if I integrate d with something, the integral cancel differential. So I have what? Y dot x squared left equals, if I want to integrate this, I'll apply obviously general method of integration, right? I'll apply general method of integration. So working on this, we said to solve problem of this nature, bring out the constant term, that's 4, outside the integral sign, s cubed dx, right? For me, this gives you y dot x squared is equal to 4 into, if I integrate s cubed, we said just add 1 to the power, s to the power 3 plus 1 to the power all over, whatever you're having in the power here, this power here, repeat it down, 3 plus 1. That's the concept. You should know all this for now. Alright, this gives you y dot x squared equals this 4 here, observe this, this 4 and this one here, sorry, before then, this gives you 4 into x to the power of 4 over 4, because this 3 plus 1, this 3 plus 1 gives you 4, this 3 plus 1 gives you 4. So I'm having to the power of 4 here and a 4 here. Let's proceed. From here, this gives you y dot x squared is equal to 4x to the power 4 all over 4. This 4 here times x to the power 4 gives you 4x to the power 4. This 4 here is what I've written down here. So let's proceed, please. From here, we said we know mathematically that this one here will cancel this one. So I'm having what left? I have y dot x squared is equal to what there? X to the power of what? 4. Mind you, after integrating, always add plus c. So always add plus c, add plus c, add plus c. Plus c is called constant of integration. Let's proceed. So from here, this gives us y dot x squared equals x to the power 4 plus c. I want to make y, this y here, subject of formula. What do I do? I have to divide both sides by x squared. So I'll divide both sides by x squared. So I will divide both sides by x squared. So divide both sides by x squared. That gives you y dot x squared all over x squared is equal to x to the power 4 over x squared plus c over x squared. What do you observe? This will cancel this. I'll be having y left, so I'll be having y equal to x squared cancels to the power 4. I'll have x squared left, so x squared plus c over x squared. We said at this junction, this is our final answer. So y is this value. If we are to solve method 4 normally, this is my answer. But we are under the concept of inertial value problem. So inertial value problem, you have to look at the value of c. We have to know the value of c. This c, this constant c, we need to know the value. So let's get the value of c from here. To get the value of c, it's simple as they give us a condition. Our condition was given as y into 1 equals 2. If I'm correct, check your question, you see it. We said this one here is your x. Why this y is the 2 here? How good? So it's safe to say that y equals 2, x equals 1. From where? From the given condition. So from here, put down this expression, this your answer, and substitute y as 2 and also put x as what? As 1. That gives you y equals x squared plus c over x squared. We said y is what? Is 2. That gives you 2 equals x squared. X is 1. That gives you 1 squared plus c over 1 squared. From here, I'll have 2 equals 1 squared gives you 1 plus c over 1 squared gives you 1. Right? So this part here, I'll be having 2 equals 1 plus c over 1 gives you c. Let's make c, solve the formula here. I'll take this 1 to the other side, right? To the other side. That gives you 2 minus 1 equals c. So therefore, c equals 1. If c is 1, I cannot put this value of c inside this place, and that's the final answer. So I'll put this c that is 1 in back to the original answer, right? So let's put c back to the question back. Let's see what we get as our final answer. From here, I'll have that y equals x squared plus c now is 1 all over x squared. This becomes, because this is the original equation here. I'm checking the question from here. See, this is the question here, right? So this y is your y here. This x squared is your x squared here. This plus is this plus here. Why this c? We just got this c to be 1 in this place. So I put the value of c here in this place, and the x squared that is here is this x squared here. So that's how you solve this particular question using the idea of initial value problem. If you have any question on this, please do well to ask, right? So this I solve this particular problem. If you found this class helpful, I will encourage you to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, do well to leave a encouraging comment and also share this video to your friends and classmates so they can learn too. Also, you can do well to join our WhatsApp group. I just launched a WhatsApp group, so if you're interested, you can join the WhatsApp group. I'll drop the link to the WhatsApp group in the video description. So check the video description. You see a link to the WhatsApp group. See you guys in our next tutorial video, and welcome to Excellent Link Academy.
Before we continue with this lesson, I'm excited to announce that I just launched my official website, a complete learning platform designed to help you study smarter, learn faster, and access high-quality educational resources anytime you need them. On the website, you'll find several well-structured courses created to guide you step by step through the most important topics. First, we have Organic Chemistry for Beginners, a simple, beginner-friendly course that breaks down organic chemistry into easy explanations anyone can understand. Next, there are WAC and JAM classes, specially designed to help you pass your exams with confidence using clear lessons, solve questions, and exam strategies. We also have the Physics tutorial for Year 1 students, covering foundational concepts you must master in your first year of higher education. And for anyone who wants to grow online, there is a complete course on how to start, grow, and earn on YouTube using only your smartphone. This course gives you everything you need to begin your YouTube journey without expensive equipment. There is also a book section on the website where you can get all my educational books, including the shortcut to academic success. My website is now your one-stop platform for science tutorials, exam preparation, YouTube training, and learning resources that can transform your academic and digital journey. To explore all the courses and get your copy of the books, simply click the website link in the video description. Before we continue this lesson, I want to share something that will make your learning experience even better. I now have exclusive channel memberships designed to help you learn faster, get direct support, and access premium content you won't find in my regular videos. The first level is the support membership. If you enjoy my lessons and want to support the channel while getting special perks, this is for you. It's a simple way to show appreciation and help me continue creating high-quality educational content. The second level is the WAC and JAM classes membership. If you're preparing for WAC or JAM, this membership gives you structured lessons, practice questions, exam strategies, and step-by-step guidance to boost your performance. The third level is the 100-level students membership. This is perfect for secondary school students who want organized, easy-to-understand lessons in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and other subjects. And finally, we have the YouTube Mastery membership. If you want to learn how to grow on YouTube, how to create content, edit videos, design thumbnails, and monetize your channel, this membership will guide you from beginner to creator. Whatever stage you are in, there's a membership designed to help you learn smarter, improve faster, and stay ahead. To join, simply click the membership link in the video description. Choose the level that matches your goals and start enjoying all the exclusive benefits. Before we continue, let me quickly share something that can change your entire online journey. I just launched a complete YouTube mastery course, a step-by-step training designed to help beginners start and grow a successful YouTube channel using only their smartphone. In this course, I break everything down in simple, practical lessons. No expensive camera, no studio, no complicated equipment, just your phone and the right knowledge. You will learn how to create quality videos, design engaging thumbnails, write perfect titles, choose the right niche, understand the YouTube algorithm, and grow your channel from zero, even if you've never created a video before. If you want to become an online teacher like me, this course will guide you on how to teach online record lessons, explain concepts clearly, and attract the right audience. And if you want to create content in any other field, lifestyle, motivation, entertainment, business, this course will still show you the exact steps to succeed. All the lessons are pre-recorded, well-organized, and easy to follow. You can watch them at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. So, if you've been dreaming of starting a YouTube channel but didn't know how to begin, this is your opportunity. This course will take you from beginner to confident creator. The link to get the YouTube Mastery course is right there in the video description. Click it and start your YouTube journey today. Hold on, before you continue this lesson, I need to tell you something important. If you've been struggling with studying, losing motivation, or you feel like you're working hard, but your results aren't showing, this is for you. I recently released a powerful book titled The Shortcut to Academic Success. It is a simple, practical guide that shows you exactly how to study smarter, stay focused, remember more, and achieve outstanding results without stress. This book is not theory. It's a step-by-step roadmap I created after years of teaching students and understanding what truly works. Inside, you'll discover proven study techniques, exam strategies, productivity hacks, memory boosters, and secrets top students use every day. Whether you are in secondary school, university, or preparing for any exam, this book will transform the way you learn and help you reach your academic goals faster. And the best part? It costs only 2,000 Nigerian nairas, less than the price of a snack, but the value inside can change your entire academic journey. If you truly want to upgrade your grades and finally take control of your learning, don't wait. Get your copy of The Shortcut to Academic Success today. Your future self will thank you.